In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Spline in Framer. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and open up Spline, so your project, and then from here, you want to go to Export, top right, and then from here, you want to go to Viewer, which says Integrated Embed, and you want to copy this script over here, so this code. So just click on this copy button over here. It's going to say code, copy to clipboard, and then you want to go to Framer, and inside Framer, click on Insert, top left, go to the bottom where it says Utility, and then click on where it says Embed, and basically just drag it into wherever you want to have it. For example, over here, double click on this block, and then here it's going to say Embed, click on HTML, paste the code in here, and then whenever you click out of here, it's going to start loading. And if I now go into preview mode, as you can see here, it says built with Spline, and over here I can now move this around. Now, of course, this is just a rectangle, but if you have a more complex design, you'll be able to view it in here as well. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.